this work, we replicated a recent Nature publication by Harvard University using a moving particle simulation method, demonstrating that we could predict the properties of the filament and the helix shape depending on processing velocity and nozzle rotational speed. This could allow to screen for those parameters prior to physical testing. Moreover, we showed that a digital experimental setup could be performed in order to monitor forces and shear stresses applied to the filament. We believe that moving particle simulation, widely applied in the automotive and food and beverage sectors, can also be integrated in the workflow of R&D in the 3D printed world. At Particleworks, we believe that simulation can help in R&D and engineering. COVID, supply chain shocks, inflation, everything renders the physical prototyping increasingly difficult and with more cost. That's why we think that moving particle simulation can speed up R&D in 3D printing.